Following on from my video last week on the ChromeOS 138 release, you may have seen my post to Blue Sky X threads and here on YouTube all about the mention from the ChromeOS release notes of the ability to create your own custom wallpapers on Chromebook Plus models. Up until now, I hadn't seen this new option. I'd just been seeing the existing functionality that we've had on Chromebook Plus models for a while now to use a preset prompt to create your wallpaper. But that's changed this morning. I'm on the HP Chromebook Plus X360 14B, and I'm now seeing that new functionality to use your own prompt to create your custom wallpaper. So I thought I'd show you guys how it's working with a few examples. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is tap with 2 fingers on the touchpad to right click, and I'm going to pick this bottom option, Set Wallpaper and Style. So that's where you'd come into anyway to update your wallpaper. And in this next window, you'll see a preview of your existing wallpaper. Just click once on that. Now, here's the new option we're looking for. It's under the exclusive for Chromebook Plus options. As mentioned, these are only for Chromebook Plus at the moment. And it's the Create Your Own. So I'm just going to click onto this one here. The first time you click onto it, you'll get a pop-up just giving you an overview and explaining the terms of using Google's AI. So once you're happy with that, just click on Got It. And then you can get started straight away and type your prompt. So let's do cats playing Monopoly whilst drinking coffee. Why not? And I'm just going to hit create. So much like any of Google Gemini's AI image creation, it's going to give you 4 options initially to pick from. So let's see what 4 it comes up for this. Here we go. Okay, bizarre, so no cats actually included. I've actually done a couple of takes of recording this, and it definitely included cats the first times I've used this prompt. So let's try that again and just hit recreate. So you can always do this if you don't like any of those first 4 options. So let's see if it picks up on the whole point that there should be some cats included. You'd really hope so, wouldn't you? But hey, it's AI. Okay, there we go, we're back with cats. Okay, so let's say I like this one in the top left. I'm just going to click on that once. It's going to create a high-res copy of that, and it's going to apply it to the desktop. So let's just let it do its thing. I'll minimize the window, and there we go. There's my desktop wallpaper set. So it's really that easy. So this is just taking that AI image creation function and applying it in a really nice way, making sure that the images are the right size, aspect ratio, and resolution to look good on your desktop. If you don't know what you want to type, you can always just go for the Inspire Me. So let's click on that. Okay, it looks like it's getting really specific with a really long prompt this time. So let's see how these flowers are going to look like if they're from an animated film. Okay, looking pretty nice. You'll actually see down below as well, you can still come back to any of your previous generated images, so including the ones you didn't pick initially. So they're still there, and I've still got the one I've got set. But let's say I want to pick one of these ones of the flowers. Let's just click on it again. Once more, it's just going to create that high-res image and apply it to the desktop. So let's switch back to the desktop, and there it is. So let me know if you're seeing this on your Chromebook at the moment. So from what I can see, this is a back-end setting that's rolling out because actually right now, or when I started this Chromebook Plus up, it was still on ChromeOS 137, not 138. It hadn't actually updated, and the new functionality was already there. So let me know if you're seeing it on your Chromebook, what model it is. Drop a comment on that. I keep saying Chromebook, but just to be clear, it's got to be a Chromebook Plus model for this at the moment. If you have only got a regular Chromebook, I say only, but if you have got a regular Chromebook, let me know in the comments if this is the type of functionality that might tempt you to upgrade to a Chromebook Plus model. And in the meantime, before you give this video a like, as hopefully you've learned something, the YouTube algorithm thinks you're going to like the video on screen to watch next. Cheers.